So this is Andre from Group 6 for CST 338 with Dr. C. My teammates are Senen, Rene, and Natalio, and this is going to be a quick run through of our app, DashDoor.
Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the login page for our food delivery app. This is the very first screen users see when they open the app, and it is designed to be simple and easy to use. It includes two basic fields, one for username and one for password, so users can quickly sign in and get started. There is also a login button, and originally we were implementing a sign up button for new users. However, we ended up not including that functionality on this first version. We have focused on making the experience smooth and frustration free. If a user makes a mistake, like typing a wrong message, uh, they will see a friendly message explaining what went wrong. The goal is to make people feel comfortable and confident as they enter the app so they can get right to what they came for, finding great food and fast and easy.
Natalio and this is for class 338 software design. We are reviewing my portion of the project for the DashDoor app, which is the admin section, um, which is right over here. The goal for this section was to make it similar to my other teammates with the dark layouts and similar placing of buttons, and also to give this section access to areas of the app that regular users would not have access to. I added search history, view clients, and self destruct. Uh, the search history would give access to all the clients' shopping history. The view clients would give access to the the client's information, their names, last names, credit card information, and phone numbers. And self destruct would destroy the whole app. And for the next portion, that would be admin activity. At first, I tried working on the shopping history, but I kept getting myself confused by trying to abstract the information from main activity since the information is over there. So I put that off and I decided to look into self-destruct. And unfortunately, I could not find any information on the internet to uh, for code that would give me access to shut down the app. So I figured I'd probably link that to a GIF that would display an explosion on the screen. And for the view clients section, I made a couple of array lists, one showing the first name, one showing the last name. Here's the credit card information and the phone number information. I displayed it down here as well. After I made all the information added in, I turned it into a for loop that would display it. And I was attempting to let me see. I was attempting to add it to click on to make it active with the button. But haven't got it to work just yet. And when the hopes was to once you click on the button, it would give you access to all the clients. It would allow you to add or delete whoever was on it or adjust certain information. And that is my portion of the admin. Thank you very much.
So to show the rubric of what I did, let's we start with issues. Issues. I have 5 issues. So here, wire up restaurant pages, wire up the other food places, and this one is like the king has most of the stuff that was supposed to be there. And yeah, so video, we're doing that right now. The rubric, and here's my activities. So we are logged in as admin, which doesn't change much when ordering food, but that's okay. So I click on it, shows a toast, and we've put it in the cart. Same with pizza. It's got a lot of meat lovers, and then should be in checkout. Things kind of bugging, but it's okay. So yeah, everything adds to cart. Those are the 2 activities, just being able to click on the icon, then add it to cart. We also show my intent test to make sure that when you click on the burger place or pizza place, it goes into the right scene, or the scene, I'm talking thinking game dev, but it goes into the right page or activity. It has intent factory type of stuff, and you can see it passes. That also works for, I have at least 2 passing passing tests and the intent factory, and partial credit for intent unit tests. So more code of, so pizza and burger are more or less the same, their own bindings. So when you click on it in the view space, it'll add that into the cart and show toast. But this is what my groupmate did, adding it to the cart. That's just more or less the same for everything.
So this is Andre, and I'm going to be going over what I worked on for this project. So I did the checkout and order page. So as far as the app, it would be this page right here, as well as this page right here. So for the checkout activity, it shows a summary of the user's cart with all the things they chose. It lets them enter their payment and delivery, and then place their order, which takes them back to the home screen. It makes sure that they fill in the address before they're able to submit. And once everything's filled, they get a confirmation toast, the cart's cleared, and it goes back to the main screen. And for the order page is basically the menu where it has their options of burger or pizza, and it lets them choose, and then they have options in each one. And once they do checkout, it goes to the checkout page, and it'll save the whatever they chose and then the total amount as well.